Today we are going to see principle of a capacitor. Last class we have seen capacity of a conductor. Okay, capacity of a conductor. Now today principle of a capacitor. Capacitor is nothing but a storage device. It stores electric charge. Okay. Now we are going to see how a charge can be stored in a device. For this, let us consider one conductor. Okay, this is a one plate. It is one metal plate. Now we are giving positive charge to this plate. We are giving some positive charge to this plate. And please mind it, we have to give maximum positive charge to this so that it cannot take further. That means maximum positive charge we have to give to this plate. Now let us call this plate as X. Okay, we are given maximum amount of positive charge to this plate. Now if you give further, then it may leak to the surroundings. Up to that level we have to give maximum positive charge. Now due to this, the potential has increased. As already we have seen, Q equal to CV. In last class we have seen Q equal to CV. Q is the charge, C is the capacity, and V is the potential. Now the conductor has a potential of V and a charge Q, and C is the capacity of this conductor. Okay. Now I am bringing one conductor only. Okay, here I have not given any charge. Now I am bringing one conductor near to this X. Now I call this conductor as Y. It is a mere conductor. Now due to this presence of this positive charge, conductor means it is a metal only. Therefore, here negative charges are induced. Negative charges are induced. And positive charges are also there, and it is far away from this positive charge. Okay, since this is positive, negative charges induce closer to this, and positive charges move away from this. Due to that, same charges repel each other. Therefore, in this we have not given any charge, but due to the presence of this positive charge, negative charge and positive charge are there, and this is due to induction. Okay. Now negative charge is near. Now due to this negative charge will tend to reduce the potential of this conductor. Okay. The negative charge will tend to reduce the potential of this conductor X. But these positive charges will tend to increase the potential of this conductor. Now potential is reduced means because this is nearer. Therefore, as a whole, potential is reduced. Potential is reduced means we can add further some amount of charges. We can add further some amount of charges to this conductor. That means capacity is increased. Okay, by bringing one conductor near to this. Okay, we are not touching, closer to this. Okay, the potential of this conductor is increased. I want to give some example. Okay, that means capacity is increased. That means I want to give some example. That means you have taken some favorite dish as a dinner. Okay, you have taken some favorite dish as a dinner. That means favorite dish means usually we take up to this. It will not fill stomach only. You can take up to this level. Now after you have finished that up to this level, up to this, your mummy is offering some again most favorite ice cream or some sweet dishes to you. Okay, then you cannot say no. Then you will take again that also. You told I have taken up to this. Now how is it possible to take ice cream or sweet dish also? That means due to that affinity. That means due to that tasty you are taking. That means your capacity is increased now. That means your potential also increased. Just like by bringing this, the potential of this conductor has increased. That means you have given some more charges. Now what you are going to do is, you simply connect this conductor to ground. That means it is grounded. It is grounded. Now due to this ground, this positive charge go to earth. Okay, due to this grounding, these positive charges go to grounding. Now also, due to this grounded conductor, again the potential has increased. Again the potential has increased. That means you can give further some amount of charges to this conductor. Okay. Now what I want to tell is, earlier it was mere conductor. You have given some amount of positive charge. That means you have given maximum positive charge. For example, 50 coulomb. Okay, 50 coulomb you have given. Now, after bringing this, you have given some more charges, 20 plus 50. That means 70 coulombs you have given. Okay. After grounded, you can give again 10 more. That means 80. That means initially the capacity is 50 coulomb. That means the potential proportionate. Okay. Now after bringing this isolated conductor, the potential has increased. That means you are given charge. Due to that, potential has increased. After grounding, the potential is further increased. Okay. That means with one charged conductor and nearby if you keep one grounded conductor, then the potential of the system has increased. Now these two plates together is called capacitor. These two plates together it's called capacitor. Okay. Now this is called capacitor. The symbol for capacitor is two parallel lines. Okay, both should be parallel and equal. Okay, very close to this. Okay, this is called the capacitor symbol. If you put two parallel and with an arrow on it, then it is called variable capacitor. Then it is called variable capacitor. Okay, this is the capacitor symbol and this is variable capacitor. Sometimes we can say variable capacitance like this. Okay. Now this is the principle of a capacitor. That means a charged conductor, another one grounded conductor, and both are closer to each other. Okay. This is called a capacitor, and in technical they will say condenser also. Capacitor and condenser both are same. It is used to store charges. In fan, you might have seen some cylindrical, that is called a cylindrical capacitor. In electronic devices, you might have seen some small size blue color or like this. Okay, some cylindrical, blue color or orange color, some small cylinder. Okay, this is a capacitor. One leg is lengthier, another is shorter. The lengthier is positive, this is negative. Okay, thank you.